Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to your gaming console with a wired headset? The Logitech G Astro A50X multi-platform wireless is here to change that. This revolutionary headset offers a level of freedom and flexibility that's hard to match, with its pro-grade LIGHTSPEED Wireless technology delivering ultra-high-performance audio that's free from wires. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and versatility. One of the standout features of the A50X is its PLAYSYNC Simultaneous Multi-System capability, allowing you to stay connected to all your platforms and switch audio and video between them with ease, using the on-ear controls. The Pro-G GRAPHENE Audio Drivers provide groundbreaking clarity and response, with precise audio separation, location, and timing accuracy, making it feel like you're right in the game. The state-of-the-art HDMI 2.1 Passthru delivers Ultra HD resolution for the highest levels of console audio and visual fidelity, with stunning 4K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The broadcast quality mic is another notable feature, with a 48 kHz full-bandwidth LIGHTSPEED mic uplink that achieves new levels in wireless boom mic quality, making you sound like a pro. Whether you're playing fast-paced action games or immersive role-playing games, the A50X delivers a truly engaging experience. With its ability to connect to multiple platforms at once, this headset is perfect for gamers who switch between different consoles and PCs. The A50X is a significant upgrade over other headsets on the market, offering a level of convenience, quality, and flexibility that's hard to find elsewhere. If you're looking for a high-quality, wireless gaming headset that can keep up with your active gaming lifestyle, the Logitech G Astro A50X multi-platform wireless is definitely worth considering. With its impressive features and exceptional performance, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.